Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Um, this is my progress report. How I go about. What does it look like if you upload daily on YouTube, based on me driving without me talking at all? So I'll give you an understanding what it looked like in the back end on my stats only. So at the time that this is recorded, with what was it? Yeah, on the 25th of the 9th, 2019, today being Wednesday. So this is a back end of my, I guess, my YouTube channel. I go about just on the analytics side of it. So in the past month, in the past 28 days, my view time has been going up. My subscribers going up. Thank you for everyone out there who subscribed to this channel. Haven't received any money yet from YouTube. Haven't created any, I guess, income from YouTube yet. So as a whole, it went on the 27th of August. At one point, it was 444 minutes. Nearly got up to 1,000 minutes. It went down again to 400 at my low. Yeah, that's my lowest, I guess, for the month. 398 minutes, and that is somewhat 959. That's the 998 is actually the highest. So far I've gained 15 subscribers in the past 28 days. Uploading daily. In the odd occasion I upload twice. I think that's about it. Let me know in the comment if you want to know my progress. This is just my analytics to show you guys what it looked like if you upload daily. The other occasion I made a mistake that I upload twice or so, or yeah. I guess this is just my milestone, my progress report, and how I go about becoming a new YouTuber and uploading daily content. Me driving without talking. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers, bye.